Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Quora account to establish credibility and access all platform features, follow these straightforward steps for successful verification. Step 1. Visit the Quora website or download the Quora app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. You can register using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Step 3. If signing up with email, enter your email address, create a password, and provide your full name. Step 4. After completing the registration, Quora will send a verification email to your registered email address. Check your inbox. Step 5. Open the verification email from Quora. The subject line typically reads, "Verify your Quora account" or "Confirm your email address." Step 6. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you to Quora and automatically verify your email address. Step 7. Log into your Quora account and complete your profile by adding a profile picture, bio, and areas of expertise or interest. Step 8. For enhanced credibility, you can verify your professional credentials by adding your job title, company, education, and other relevant information to your profile. Step 9. Connect your social media accounts or personal website to your Quora profile for additional verification. Step 10. Start contributing quality answers and engaging with the community to build your reputation on Quora. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.